Alright, welcome back to our new video, and I got these totally mint condition Xboxes, and for some odd reason, they don't work right. I wonder what could be the issue, but I guess we'll just have to tear them down, so welcome to the teardown videos. And I haven't been posting as often, I know, but can't go wrong with 6 Xboxes in near mint condition. Totally. Hey, my ThinkPad's charged. Still no LS. Oh well. Alright, so we have a couple of units here. This is the most best looking one of the bunch, totally. This thing is like brand spanking new, if anything. Like, it's got a little scratch, but as you can see, CPU and everything is in just mwah condition. So, I'm going to be tearing down the motherboard, unlikely, but I am going to get the motor out of the disk drive, the corkscrew shaft assembly stuff. So yeah, gotta be very gentle with these units too, because, you know, they're Xboxes. We cannot damage their pristine shape. Where's my Phillips? There it is. Once more, these things are fragile. Gotta make sure they come out in one piece and go back together in one piece. And unfortunately, this mint condition one totally is non-functional for just some completely odd reason. Ignore the noise in the background. I have a dog. What's about Amazon? I didn't order these things. The only good part on this mint condition disk drive, it's in very good shape, and I bet you it'll still work. But we'll have to... Sorry about that. A friend was over who gave me these. And as you can see, the drive is really pristine, so you don't want to damage it. That was all cosmetic. On to the next one. This one is, oh man, this is an amazing shape. It's a little scratched, but as you can see, it is very well kept. So I guess we should tear this one apart. All I'm getting out of these pretty much are the motors. They're trash. So, you know, they're perfect. Of course, Xbox had to curse people with the stupid, like, star pattern bit on their direct drive stuff, so I probably won't be pulling those out right now, because I don't have that crap on me, but I could get the laser cork shaft assembly out. You know, these things are, like, just in amazing shape. And then I will be taking the motor out, because motors. There's another one. And then I will be coming back to this, so I'll have to be very careful not to damage it. That wasn't that. Here's another motherboard that I might strip the back ports off of. That's really all that's good on these. So, you know, once more, keep good care of it. And then this is probably the most, totally the best one of all. You know, it's a little dented, as you can see. It's got a little bit of a curve. But, you know, it's in very nice shape, totally. I will be getting the heat sinks off of these manually. All I want off the disk drive is the loading motor assembly. The belts have been taken out already. Not like they were good to begin with. And this one's already missing its corkscrew assembly. This one's got a different motor mounting on it, so I'll be taking this motor off too, it looks like. And it even says OOF on the motherboard. 114-00F or 00F, I don't know. One of those assembly numbers. I have to locate it on the AV out port in the back. I could reuse this motor. This is a flat motor. This is a pretty cool one. Actually, we'll be keeping that for something. Alrighty. Did you really have the better not be hex pattern on the bottom? What sucks is these are all assembled to the frame using stupid hex bits and all that crap, so unless I have the right size bits for this, I probably will not be getting too deep. Oh wait, I got the I Break It kit. I take back what I said. You got me covered. Alrighty. Not too big. Too small. Let me go back to this one for a sec. Of course. Thank you, Xbox. You're just the best, aren't you? More Phillips heads. You just... No, just use this. This isn't the right, this isn't the right size, but it'll work. Called it. It works. Who knows? Maybe that is the right tool. Probably isn't, but, you know, what works, works. And don't worry to you Xbox fans out there that I'm destroying this totally mint condition console. It was trashed. I believe half had the rings, others had fin issues, CPU failures, all that kind of garbage, so don't worry. It's not the end of the world. Ooh, a Microsoft motherboard. How fancy schmancy. Ooh, with the connector port? Ooh, that's actually kind of cool. I'll be keeping these. They might have a use eventually. Let's see. I don't know if this is held on this at all. Okay, there are more, of course. There's about 100 million different screws on these stupidest things. What I'm trying to say is I'll probably film this one and then be done because time on my phone. If the new Samsungs had wired headphone jacks, I'd get them. I won't fit that one, so... Whoa, too big. Let me guess, get too small. Oh, that actually works. Alright, I'll be needing that in a bit. This unit appears to have some kind of heatsink assembly set up here. Okay, that one might be, that one's stripped. That's great. Oh, of course that one's the same. Luckily those might not be important. Or they will be and I'll just be breaking it apart or drilling out those bits. Let's just not talk about that, huh? Probably be blurring manufacturer logos after all this for copyright reasons, but whatever. They're still good companies, or somewhat. Like Microsoft. I love Xbox compared to the PS's, the PlayStations. They're cool, but I mean, Xboxes, in my opinion, have the better half. They have the work in their favor. I don't understand the PlayStation controller anyway. Like, what's a triangle button? Whatever happened to, like, the Atari controls? What happened to just a joystick and a button? Like, you could never screw that up. At least we have more option. Alrighty. Sort my bit out again. Hopefully I can get these. Oh no. You. Oh, no. These last few ones gotta. Oh, man. Okay, so this one I'm going to need to get better bits for to finish the job. We have this one, take the disk drive out. Luckily, the Xbox 360 could also double up as a workbench. That's what I like about the ThinkPad, actually. Kind of does that. Where's my charge light still on the ThinkPad? It's not even plugged in anymore. Oh, it might be on a standby mode. Yep, it is on. I was wondering why my ThinkPad light was still on. There we go. I do have mini DV tapes now, too, that I got. A pile of those. So, if anybody has a cheap or broken mini DV camera, I am on the hunt for one currently. Besides, I've never worked on a mini DV camera yet. That would be a really fun project. This one's still got its assembly board on it. Alrighty, let's get this out. And then, where's the trigger? I'm missing the injection cycle. Oh no, is the trigger covered for it? Oh. What works, works. Luckily, these motors could be reused for sure, even on tape decks here and there, depending on the model. That wasn't me. So yeah, obviously, once more, I gotta be careful with these. Okay. There's another motor. Once more, it's all that's really of value on these units. I mean, otherwise, they're sinks that I might be. I like how that bit worked at first. There we go. You know what? That's it. Round 2 on this one. I'm coming back for you. I want revenge now that I got a better bit. Aha! And to you scrappers out there, who knows, I may be putting this on my curb. Not telling you where I live, though, so have fun finding it. There we go. Anybody want a metal frame? Not bad, I guess. Pretty cool looking assembly board. Alright, that'll be all for today's video. I'm going to eventually finish tearing these down. Probably solo, but with the time I got left on my phone, this is what it's going to be. So, see ya, and on to the next video, I guess.